10 simple money management tips for beginners. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and not having any savings? In this video, we'll be discussing 10 easy tips to help you get started on your money management journey. Tip number 1. Make a budget. This is the foundation of all good money management. Start by tracking your spending for a month and then categorize your expenses. This will give you a good idea of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Tip number 2. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn and use the difference to save and invest. This simple habit will help you build wealth over time. Tip number 3. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. This way, you'll never even see the money, and you'll be able to build up your savings without even thinking about it. Tip number 4. Avoid impulse purchases. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it. If you do, make sure you're getting the best deal possible. Impulse purchases can add up quickly and sabotage your budget. Tip number 5. Use cash when shopping. Research has shown that people spend less when they use cash instead of credit cards. So, take out the amount of cash you need for your shopping trip and leave your card at home. Tip number 6. Shop around for the best deals. Compare prices at different stores and take advantage of sales and discounts. This will help you stretch your dollars further. Tip number 7. Pay your bills on time. Late fees and penalties can add up quickly, and they can damage your credit score. So, make sure you pay your bills on time, every time. Tip number 8. Avoid debt as much as possible. High interest debt, like credit card debt, can be especially damaging to your finances. So, only use debt when it's necessary and always pay it off as soon as possible. Tip number 9. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can add up over time, so start now and watch your wealth grow. Tip number 10. Seek professional advice when needed. If you're having trouble with your finances or need help with your investment strategy, don't hesitate to seek help from a financial advisor. And there you have it, 10 simple money management tips for beginners. Start putting these tips into practice today, and you'll be on your way to a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.